All right, so now I'm going to take the 9-end or 2-end tractor out. So the first thing I do is turn the fuel on. So I always shut the fuel off at the end of the day. Okay, it's all on. And get on. Okay. I think I'll just stick that there for now. Bring up the throttle. Ignition on. Clutch in. Neutral. And see we go. First drive, right on. Put the PTO shift lever on. Okay. Okay, what I have is on the N9, 9N I should say, or 2N, is a V-plow. As you can see right here. What I want to do is make a groove for the potatoes. Let's see if I can beat the rain. This is the PTO shift lever. It's got not a live PTO, so you got to have this spinning to make this raise up and down on the old tractors. All right, so let's get out there, raise it up. All right, off we go. So this is a shift high and low. I gotta figure this out a minute. Let's see here. Alright, down is low, forward is high. I believe they call this the Sherman shift. And I will be using first gear. And I'm gonna make a first roll right here. So I drop the plow down, and I'm going to let it down all the way, and I'm going to aim a straight row for that bench right there. All right, here we go. And as you can see how good it's doing already. Let's have a look, see how we did. Look at that. This old tractor does a nice job. Beautiful. Look at that. And this tractor didn't even strain. It's what, 80 years old? I don't want to brag too much because you know how that goes. This old tractor, they are built. All right, let's go line up for the next row. To do, I'll just tone her down a little bit. What you need to do, because you want to hill this later, is you line up the wheels so you got the tractor width. Let me hop off now, I'll show you. So there's the first row right there. What you need to do is line the wheels up, because you want to be able to cultivate and hill the potatoes. So I'm going to drop the plow now right here. I can see rain coming in right there. All right, let's see if I can get this in. First gear, whoa. Okay, here we go. Drop the plow down. Off we go. Let's have a look. Look at that, everybody. Very nice. Very nice. I think this, I gotta adjust that. Oh well. Okay, so I'm using the tractor here, the old tractor, to do the plowing. As I said, it's an old Ford tractor. It's probably a 2N, but it's got the makings of a 9N. So it could be a mix and match. Everybody says this is the sign that's a 2N right here. I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, it works. It's a great addition to the farm here. We'll do one more row. And then tomorrow I'll put the potatoes in. Maybe tomorrow if it's not raining. Okay, first gear low. Line her up. Drop the plow. Off we go. again. Look at that. Very nice. Alright, it's all set to plant the potatoes. Let's head in and get the potatoes. It's such a simple tractor. An old tractor, there are so many around that are still being used yet today. I'm one of them. Let's head in. Raise the plow. I'm wearing this thing on my head, the GoPro, so if you get some crooked pictures, that's the reason why. Alright, so here we go. Head in. Put in high. Now you can hear a difference already in high gear. Alright, let's just take a look at this one more time. Very nice. That old tractor does such a nice job. Yeah, it looks like it's going to rain any minute now, so I guess maybe that's the end of the day here on the blueberry farm. Let's head in. Okay, everybody, hope you enjoyed this today. Next thing I do is I'm gonna plant the potatoes and hill them up. Alright, everybody, thanks for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stop by again soon. Hope you enjoyed the video of this 9N or 2N tractor today. I will shut the gas off since I'm done with it today. It's a good idea to do this on all these old tractors. All right. Stop by again soon, everybody. Bye.